Hello, my friends. Welcome back. With the second Sudoku, I will continue 2 out of 7 because we have 7 extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, still Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. And this second Sudoku will be number 1698. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have not counted yet, so let me do this quick. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 4 is 21, 22 plus 4 is equal to 26. Correct. One less than the previous Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We see here a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 9. What a pity, what a pity. How about, one in this row, 1 in the third row, so on the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second row, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. How about the number? The number. Three. Alright. 9, 3. Alright. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, 1 and the 9, 9, 1 and the 5. In the last row, so no 9 and the 1 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 9 and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. 195. That means the other 2 should be a pair, the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then We have a pair. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 and a 3 in the last row, so no 7 and a 3 in this box. So 2 boxes left for the 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3, let me mark them for you. It's a pair, it's a pair. Alright, so now 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. One of these 3 boxes is also a 9. So in this row, no 9 there. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 3 places for the 6 would be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see there 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then how about the number 1735? Yes, in this row we have 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 4, 7 and a 3, but 2 of the missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we see here 1 and a 5, so in this box cannot be 1 and a 5. So 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 5 should be in those 2 boxes, 1 and a 5. It's a pair, so I mark them for you. It's easier to follow. That means this box and that box is a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. And look, we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a 7 now, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 3. Then we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Let me see. 2, 4, 2, 4, and 8. I need an 8. How about the numbers 2, 3? In this column, wait, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Two boxes left in this column for the numbers 6 and 2, 6 and 2, 6 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. It's up here, so let me mark them for you. This is also up here in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark them 4 and 8. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. A 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. We see here 6. So in this box cannot be a 6. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Yes. And we have a pair here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. Only two places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 8. 8 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only two places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Up here. That means one digit left in this row for the number 3. Those two numbers in this big square are reserved for the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We do not have a 9 there, so I mark them for you. It's a pair. This is also a pair in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 1. Then. How about 2, 8, 8, 2, 8, 4. I need a 4. I need a 4. 4, 4. These two numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. In this column, 3 missing numbers. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. We have an 8 there, so no 8 there. So one digit left should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be the 8. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in the last row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be the 4. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1 is missing. 1 is missing. That means in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see there 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes, in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be the number 6. And I've eliminated the 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing in this big square. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the third Sudoku, a 3 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.